Start exercise 6.5 question number 1 that PQR is a triangle and right angle at P. So let's draw a right triangle here, and it is given here that right angle at P. That means this is your P, and now we can consider here Q here and R here. So this is very important. If it is given here right angle at P, that means the right angle we have to mention here P, and QR can be interchanged. So where PQ is 10 centimeter, let's put here 10 centimeter, and PR is 24. PR is 24 centimeter. So as I told you yesterday that the Pythagoras theorem is that the sum of the squares of base and perpendicular, यानी कि बेस और परपेंडिकुलर के स्क्वायर्स का सम जो होता है इज इक्वल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ द हाइपोटेनियस. वो किसके इक्वल होता है? हाइपोटेनियस के स्क्वायर के. सो लेट्स use the Pythagoras theorem here. So according to Pythagoras theorem, I told you the sum of the square of base and altitude. So we all know this is our base and this is our altitude, and this is your hypotenuse. So we have to find out the hypotenuse. So we can write here that QR, square of QR, that means square of this side, will be equal to the square of PQ plus PR. यानी कि हाइपोटेनियस का स्क्वायर जो होता है वो इक्वल होता है बेस के स्क्वायर के प्लस एल्टीट्यूड के स्क्वायर के. सो लेट्स पुट द वैल्यूज हियर. सो वी ऑल नो क्यू आर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट नाउ, एंड PQ इज गिवन 10. सो लेट्स पुट हियर 10, स्क्वायर ऑफ 10 एंड स्क्वायर ऑफ 24. ओके, सो स्क्वायर ऑफ 10 इज 100 एंड दिस इज 576, and square if we will add these, so we'll get here 676, and this is equal to square of QR, right? So this can be written as like QR square is equals to 26 into 26. If you will get the factors of this, so it can be written as 26 into 26. Okay, so we can also write here QR square is equals to 26 square, and by comparing these two, this is also square, this is also square. So comparing both QR is equals to 26 centimeter. In this figure, by using the square of base and altitude, we got here that this is 26 centimeter. Number 2, that ABC is a triangle right angled at C. So let's draw a right triangle. So I have drawn this ABC, a triangle which is right angled at C. This is very important. So let's put here C at right angle. So we can write here ABC. So ABC is a right angle where AB is 25 centimeter. So let's put here AB 25 centimeter and AC is 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter. So we have to calculate here BC. So we have to find out here this is. So once again we will apply here Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we all know very well that square of hypotenuse is equal to square of base plus square of perpendicular. This is perpendicular. I have not written here complete spellings of these two words. This is hypotenuse and this is perpendicular. So let's put the values here. So we all can see hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 25. Okay, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse means side in अपोजिट टू द राइट एंगल. ये राइट एंगल के अपोजिट जो साइड होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड द हाइपोटेनियस, एंड हाइपोटेनियस ऑलवेज लाइक अ स्लेंटिंग. जो स्लेंटिंग साइड होती है ना, टेढ़ी वाली, दैट इज कॉल्ड द हाइपोटेनियस. सो लेट्स पुट 25 सेंटीमीटर हियर. सो 25 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, एंड बेस मीन्स दिस आर बेस. सो लेट्स पुट हियर 7 प्लस परपेंडिकुलर विच वी डोंट नो, वी कैन पुट हियर स्क्वायर ऑफ BC. So let's send this square of 7 to this side. So square of 25 like this. Square of 7 will come here and it will become minus this and BC square as it is. So square of 25 is 625, then it is minus. It's minus. I'm just removing it. This is minus. And square of this is 49 is equals to square of BC. Then after, if you will subtract it, we will get here 576, that is equal to BC square. Okay, and 576 can be written as 24 into 24, and this is BC square. Okay, so we can interchange here that BC square is equals to 24 into, or we can directly 24 square. So comparing these two, BC is equals to 24 centimeter. Now you must be thinking that how did I come to know that 576 can be written as 24 into 24. लेट्स डू द फैक्टर ऑफ दिस, ओके, एंड राइट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू सेम नंबर. इसको टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेम नंबर के फॉर्म में लिखना है आपको, एंड दिस इज 24 सेंटीमीटर.